Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts here. I'm working on a Rochester B 1-barrel. This is the older model with the flat stem accelerator pump. And I'm going to talk about the power piston a little bit. This is it right here. And this is what you call the main post with the main jet on it. And let's take this off here real quick. Okay. So you see you got yourself a spring under there, which we do carry. So you want to make sure that this hole is very clean, because this piston needs to just go very easily up and down because it's only controlled by vacuum. So if there's anything in there, or if it's a rough surface, it's going to bind and you're going to have trouble on your power. So the spring goes in there, goes in here. Now these are there's quite a few different ones on the Rochester Bs. They're not all the same, so be careful about transplanting something. So that just goes in there like that, pretty simple. Now if these are stuck and you can't get it out, the best way to get them out is to apply heat right here. And once you get it warm enough, these will come out. Alright, so, oops, get back in there. Okay. Okay. Okay, so put this back on here. Okay, you want to get the right check ball in here, because if you put the bigger check ball in here, but incidentally, the biggest check ball you have in your kit goes in the main discharge right here. The smaller check ball goes in here, and it fits right on top of this rod right here, this post. You got to hold it down when you put it in there, but it seats right in there in that hole. There you go. So that goes in there first, then your spring. And what I started to say about the bigger check ball, they'll get stuck in here and they're almost impossible to get out. We do carry these screws if you need a new one. And this goes on top of the spring. The spring holds that check ball down, and there we go. Simple as that. And you make sure it moves freely again. So the way this works is at idle and at full vacuum, you have full vacuum at idle. This is pulled down, and the check ball, the spring pushes the check ball down and plugs up the hole. As you lose vacuum, as you get up to power, this thing raises up and it'll lift that check ball up off the hole and allow more fuel to flow through to the main jet. Okay? There you go. That's how the power piston works, how to get it out, and how to put it back in. Thank you for watching.